Hello children, today we are learn action words. Let's learn. Are you ready? Then go. Eating. The girl is eating the food. Eating. Reading. The boy is reading the book. Reading. Jumping. The kids are jumping. Jumping. Sitting. The kids are sitting. Sitting. Playing. The children are playing in the park. Playing. Sliding. The kids are sliding in the park. Sliding. Brushing. The children are brushing her teeth. Brushing. Skipping. The girl is speaking with rope. Skipping. Laughing. The kids are laughing. Laughing. Climbing. The children are climbing on the ladder. Climbing. Sleeping. The children are sleeping in the bed. Sleeping. Walking. The kids are walking on the road. Walking. Singing. The children are singing the song. Singing. Dancing. The children are dancing. Dancing. Crying. The kids are crying. Crying. Going. The children are going to school. Going. Writing. The children are writing. Writing. Praying. The children are praying. Praying. Eating. The children are eating the food. Eating. Shouting. The kids are shouting. Shouting. Bathing. The girl is bathing in the tub. Bathing. Helping. The boy is on old lady. Helping. Sharing. The boy is sharing his lollipop. A girl. Sharing. Washing. The kids are washing his hands. Washing. Cleaning. The kids are cleaning the room. Cleaning. Laughing. The kids are laughing. Laughing. Watching. The children are watching the television. Watching. Talking. The children are talking each together. Talking. Swimming. The children swimming in the swimming pool. Swimming. Awaking. The lady is awaking in the morning. Awaking. Running. The children are running on the road. Running. Worrying. The kids are Whirring, whirring. Throwing. The children are throwing, throwing. Catching. The boy is catching a ball, catching. Teaching. The lady teaching to the children, teaching. Subscribe for more videos. वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक कीजिए, बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलिए। जय हिंद।